Time for pop news. And who's doing it this morning?
Oh, let's have Sarah do it.
Okay,
I
Sarah.
told you the one, the only, and I didn't bring food today, so you're just gonna have to pay attention.
You didn't?
Oh, and
Sure.
they clear the set.
Yes, but we do have 5
Oh,
beach
no.
balls.
Beach balls! 5 beach balls! Okay, well, they're balling.
On my nose!
R&B singer Frank Ocean setting the internet on
Cecilia
fire.
has a traumatic brain injury, so just keep going.
He just released this new visual album, Endless, exclusively on Apple Music. The stunning surprise took the internet by storm, with fans and critics going crazy. Endless is 45 minutes and includes a few special guests, like the Radiohead's Johnny Green. Ocean's hit debut album came out in 2012. The 4-year absence is proving to be worth the wait, as Endless is already climbing the charts and looking to make a repeat performance. And while we hit around balls, keep going, guys. Feel free to.
It's adorable how you refer to Johnny Greenwood's band as the Radiohead.
You know, if you had an article in front of it, it makes it more serious. Because this is the pop news, so keep listening. Lots of buzz this morning about Zendaya. The Wrap is reporting that the 19-year-old actress will play Mary Jane Watson in next summer's Spider-Man Homecoming. Peter Parker's love interest, Kirsten Dunst, played the role in the first 3 Spider-Man films. Her involvement in the film was announced back in March, but this is the first word on her possible character, which will be her first major movie role.
Good for her.
And you've got one more day to get in on a major brain freeze. 7-Eleven is hosting the Slurpee Bring Your Own Cup Day, and lots of people were taking to Twitter and Instagram to post their creative ways to get in the big chill. You can bring your own cup to stores and fill it with any flavor for $1.50. There are some parameters, people. Your cup has to fit through a 10-inch diameter hole. The 7-Eleven sells about 150 million Slurpees a year in the U.S. Although that's supposed to be a deal, you guys, doesn't that give you a little bit of a stomachache watching these people?
Sorry, I'm just.
Sorry, Sarah, I didn't hear anything you said. I have food in front of me.
I did bring
You
food.
said you didn't have food.
It was a teaser to see if you'd pay attention to me without bribing you.
Did we?
No,
we failed that.
no one
Yeah.
did. You guys started playing with beach balls and beating up on Cecilia. Thank you for coming, Cecilia.
I'm like Jan Brady tonight on World News with a broken nose. Thanks, Rob.
But you guys, this one's cool. This one's really cool. So I brought you food, but with a little bit of a challenge. We have a pop news exclusive this morning. Our friends from Panda Express are showing off this chopstick fork hybrid called, Cecilia, what is it called?
Chork.
It's a dining game changer for the chopstick challenge.
It's hard.
Now, those not as skilled, like Ron, can finally finish the last of their fried rice. Meaning you're skilled. That was a compliment.
Yeah, I understand.
Panda Express provided us with some of their culinary cuisine so we can try out, Cecilia, the Chork. We have their brand new General Chow's chicken, and no shame in this group. Everyone's already digging in. Let's show them the Chork. Can you model it, Dan Harris?
It's not easy.
Dana Harris?
It's like cheating on both ends, because the chopsticks are
connected.
Yeah, are connected,
Yeah.
and then you can just turn it
I
around.
love it. This is terrific.
So wait, thank you. Let me get, rather than Dana Harris, let me ask Rob. Rob, you like it?
I'm not ashamed. I always struggle with chopsticks, and now they do like training wheels.
So you could
I've needed these my whole life.
You could pack your own Chork for any meal.
Yeah, you could. You put this in your pocket.
BYOC, bring your own Chork,
Like your comb in your back pocket. It's fantastic.
Well, I hate to interrupt this scintillating conversation. We are, however, almost out of time. Sarah, great pop news. Thank you very much.
I'm going to go to the emergency room now. Thanks, Rob.
Cecilia, thank you for being here. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll see you then.